Thinking about upgrading your computer from Windows 10 to Windows 11, but you're not sure if your PC can handle it? Well, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to check. My name is Paul. This is Computer Doctor Tech, so stay tuned and let's get started. You know, it used to be when you wanted to upgrade a computer, you did just that. You just upgraded it. You didn't think about whether your CPU met some special requirement. But unfortunately, that's not the case anymore. Well, if you want to move to Windows 11, your processor has to be on Microsoft's compatibility list. But before we check that list, we need to know what processor we have so we know if we can move forward with this or not. So let's go to the computer and find out. So press Control, Shift, and Escape on the keyboard. This will bring up the Task Manager. And you want to look for the Performance tab here at the top. So click on that and you'll see your CPU listed. Mine is an AMD Ryzen 9 7900X3D 12-core processor. So that's what I'm going to note down. Whatever yours is, you'll note that down. But what I'm looking for basically here is the 7900X3D. This is the model number of what I'm going to be looking for. Now that we know what processor we have, we need to check Microsoft's compatibility list. So open a browser. I use Google Chrome. Whichever you're comfortable with, that's fine. And we're going to type this in. In the search bar or address bar, we're going to type in Microsoft CPU list. Press enter. And here we have our first link, Windows 11 supported Intel processors, or you could click on this sublink, AMD processors. I mean that I use AMD, I'll click on the AMD list, and here as you can see, this page is long. But to find my processor, instead of me scrolling through the whole thing, what I do is this, really quick trick. Press Control on the keyboard and F. This brings up a search bar. And here I'm going to type in 7900, and as I'm typing it, you can see that it is appearing. 7900, mine is X3D, and it appeared. Whatever you have, just type in that model number and you'll see if it appears. If you're using Intel, you'll just click on Intel and you'll do the same thing. As you can see though, the list is quite lengthy. So just press that Control F and type in that model number. Now if your CPU isn't on the list, you might wonder, can I still upgrade? Well, you should be able to unless Microsoft put a more heavy restriction on your hardware. Now I also have a video on how to upgrade to Windows 11 in 3 easy steps. So check that out. And yes, that's a plug. And that's all there is to seeing if your processor is listed. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel so you're alerted when I post new content. My name is Paul. This is Computer Doctor Tech. Thanks for watching.